from him on the importance of this multiple identity to be sort of dealt with in social work. I'll just read it out. Difference and how to constitute identity in full recognition of fundamental differences have become central preoccupations in postmodern world in which the self has to constantly reconstitute itself through reflection and through choices of lifestyle. Just to let you know approximately what kind of problem or what kind of thing he's dealing with here. So this is a challenge to social work, and he deals with this challenge to social work by making a model that I'm going to explain to you now. I'll just pass these around, which is his model. Again, I've been using my scissors to cut it out of the text, but I will give you the full text before you leave. Tell me if there is enough, otherwise I will have some more. Actually, as a funny thing, this place with the, I just showed you before the street festival. I mean, that's one of the places where you can play with multiple identities. People sometimes dress up and go out and have one identity at one place and another one at a different one because this is a techno and this is a rock music or what do I know. I mean, it's a place where identities also are played with a little bit, but that's a different thing. Okay. I will explain in a minute, together with Valder Lorenz, what is the point with this, but just to show you how it works, this model. Basically, he's saying that there are two choices, or two, how can you put it, there are two kinds of problems that you should try to avoid in social work. One problem he calls simplification, and it's illustrated here. The other one is multicultural indifference. That's another problem that you can run into, and it's listed over here. And then from those two, he says you have to steer clear, or you have to make sure that you don't hit any of them, but that you hit the one in the bottom. This is what he believes is very important. And just to show you what he says about those three possibilities, the two unwanted ones and the wanted ones. I've made this slide for you with quotes from him. There you go.